Sit. Sit.
Press the button.
Sit.
Get him to sit.
Sit. Sultan, sit.
1 second. That's it. Sit. Give him a treat for that.
Good boy.
Make sure it's time management. When he does it right,
Yeah.
sit. When he does it on the right position, give him straight the food. Otherwise, he won't learn. You gotta make sure.
Down.
Yep. So do it down.
Sultan. Down. Good
Beautiful.
boy.
Give him some ham. See how he's like. Got some ham for you. You can have some ham.
Sit. Sultan, sit. Sit. Good boy.
Yep. Sit down.
Down.
See, he likes the ham better. Because the rewarding food is not enough for him, so he needs to get high reward rates like that. Make him do a sit.
Sit. Sultan, sit. Sit. Good boy.
That's it. This is basically e-collar training.
Down. Down.
That's it. Give him a treat for that.
Good boy.
So
Sit.
basically,
Sit.
this is a sit down sit exercise. It's doggy push-ups.
Good boy. Down.
He needs to learn because he hasn't learned this process yet, so he's still new to it.
Sultan, sit. Sit.
So yes, make sure you give a cue word as well, so he knows that okay, that's the cue word release.
All right.
Because if you don't give him a cue word, he won't know like the word what's yes or what's good.
All right.
Make sure he knows both of it, just besides food.
Down. Good boy.
Yep.
Sit. Sit.
Yep.
Good boy.
He's doing a good job. And that's it. So this is a sit down sit.
Down. Good boy.
And yep.